Hey guys, so today I'll be teaching you the Eddie Van der Meer arrangement for the song, something just like this. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and please leave a like, comment and share my tutorial. Okay, so the song goes something like this. So that is how the song will go according to what I can figure out through the videos of Eddie Van der Meer by slowing it down to 0.25x. I haven't bought the music sheet, but I'll leave the link down below for you guys to buy and check it out. Okay, so first let's talk about the intro. The intro of the song is played in a different tuning. Not only the intro, the whole song is played in a different tuning. So first things first, come to the tuning. The tuning is E flat, G, D, G, B flat and D. Okay, so once you guys get the tuning right, just put a capo on the 4th fret and you are good to tune your guitar and just come sit and practice like this. So now the intro is the only, I feel the intro, once you master the intro, you'll be able to play the whole song without any difficulty. Okay, except for a few parts which will need some more practice, but the intro is the main part and it has the main chords that are played throughout the song. Okay, so these are the main finger positions that will be repeated throughout the song, so please pay attention. Okay, you have to, I'll just be talking about the intro right now. So for the intro, pivot the little finger on the 3rd fret, 1st string. Okay, you have to pivot it, don't even move it, just keep it there for the whole intro. Now for the first chord, okay, for the first chord, put your index finger on the 1st fret of the 4th string and then play the 6th, 4th and the 5th string together. You can either play it together or you can start playing it like you are playing a chord, like you are strumming consecutively. Okay, I prefer to play it together since it doesn't sound that well as it sounds in the video when Eddie plays it, so I play it together. It's your choice. Okay, so just play the 6th, 5th and the 4th string and then continue to playing the 2nd string that is open, the 1st string that is pivoted by a little finger on the 3rd fret, and then again followed by the 2nd string open. Okay, so you have to play it like this: the chord, the 2nd string, 1st string, 2nd string. Okay, that is the start. So it goes like this. Heard it? So that's how the first part is played. Now come to the second chord, which comes after this. So that point is, this is the position. Now remember, I told you to pivot your little finger over here, so it will be pivoted on the 3rd fret, 1st string. Okay, just change, remove your index finger from the 4th string, put your ring finger on the 4th string, 3rd fret, put your middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and your thumb, yes, your thumb will be holding the 2nd fret of the 6th string. Okay. Now, at first, this position will be a bit difficult for you guys to change to from this easy position, but with practice you will be able to do it without any difficulty. Okay, so just practice this change for like 5-10 minutes and you will be good to go. So once you get the hang of this position, okay, the second chord, you are good to go. You have to play the 6th, 5th and the 6th, 4th and the 3rd string simultaneously, followed by 2nd, 1st, 2nd and the 1st string. Okay, the 2nd string is played open and the 1st string is played on the 3rd fret as told before. Now complete the song up till now. Okay, sounds legit. Yeah. So now comes the 3rd chord. Okay, the 3rd chord is pretty easy. You don't have to hold anything except for the pivoted finger that you are not supposed to be moving. Okay, that is the 1st string. So now we have reached the 3rd chord. The 3rd chord is the simplest. You have to just hold the 1st string on the 3rd fret as it is the pivot finger, and you have to play other strings in open. You have to play the 5th, 2nd and the 3rd string simultaneously open. That is the 3rd chord. And then you have to continue playing the 2nd string open, 1st string and the 2nd string again. Okay, so the 3rd chord, the 3rd part goes like this. Okay, so up till now you have learned all the 3 major chords in the intro and what follows them. So play it. Okay, so that's how it is sounding pretty good, right? Yeah. Now you have to play it back in reverse. That is, the 1st chord you played it like this, then the 2nd chord, then the 3rd chord. Now the 2nd chord, 1st chord. Now for the tempo, remember you have to keep the bass line playing like this. Okay, so keeps on playing like that. So that's completing the intro.